too easy. Let's drive faster.
I think we need to turn it up a few notches.
We could take this to a sprint, Jimmy.
Let's go a little faster.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how exhausted are you guys?
They all just got so quiet because they're trying to focus on breathing because they've been running for the last 5 minutes. It's definitely getting harder for them because I keep seeing hands getting adjusted.
How's everyone feeling?
Amazing.
It looks like the back row struggled a little bit.
Running in the desert heat definitely took its toll, so some of the pilots got creative.